Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yvette, but you can call me Cookie only if you subscribe. It's really simple. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it and welcome back. But this evening I came on to attempt to show you how I put on lashes. I'm just gonna say it right now, I'm not that good at it. That's the reason why I do not wear eyelashes every day, but I do need to practice. So I do have a pair right here of pure lashes. They're really pretty and wispy, and I'm going to attempt to put those on. And I have a girlfriend at work that I always tease. Her name is Aisha, and she did give me approval to say her name. But she's a really beautiful young lady, and she wears eyelashes every day. She does an outstanding job. And I want to be just like her when I grow up. Okay, so let's attempt this. And like I said, I have these beautiful pure lashes. And I have a mirror, a small mirror right here. It has my initial on it for Yvette, but like I said, you can call me Cookie only if you subscribe. And this is a really pretty mirror that my mom gave to me, gifted me, with the little diamonds around it. And it has two mirrors. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is take the lash and put some glue on it. I do have duo glue. It's the white, and it's supposed to be clear, dry clear. So let's put the glue on. Give it time to dry. So I'll just set this one down and put the glue on the other one, which is the right one. Kind of bend it to shape it to the shape of the eye. I did wear these once, that's why you see glue on it. Lash glue. Oh, and I have my tweezers. Okay, I'm gonna put this down, let it dry a little bit. And while that's drying, I'm gonna put on some mascara. And I have this mascara by MAC. It's called Bold and Bad Lash. It's a really cute applicator. It has two applicators in one. And this top applicator is thin for the bottom lashes. So let's do that. Okay, and then there's another second applicator beneath it. It's a bigger applicator for the top lashes. And as you can see, I already have a face full of makeup that I had on earlier today. This is just about trying to put the lashes on. These are my own lashes. As you can see, they're not very long, but they're good enough, I guess, to wear on a daily basis. Okay. All right, y'all, let's try one lash. The glue should be dry enough, hopefully. Put it on the tweezers. Get my little mirror. And you're supposed to look down into the mirror and put the lashes on. Like I said, I'm not an expert. Put it in the middle and then the corners. Not too bad for the first attempt. It's actually on. I'm just pressing it in place. All right, let's do the other side. Put it on the tweezers. This one is still a little wet, but hopefully it won't do any damage. Hopefully it'll stick. Got my mirror. Look down, get it as close to the eyelash as possible. In the center. But it's stuck to the tweezers. Let's try it again. It's on the center. Now press it in place. Not too bad. Uh-oh, Aisha. I think I got it, girl. This corner doesn't look like it's on all the way though. I think the glue on the corner on this one dried up on me a little. Oh, there it is. And that's it, it's on. Don't believe I did it the first time. Ooh, it's a little hot. Let me turn on this fan. All right. Okay, so now that that's done, another thing that I wanted to do was put on my head wrap. I'm not used to lashes, but she pretty. All right, I'm gonna put on this head wrap that I just purchased from Chanel versus Chanel. That's the name she goes by on Facebook. And her website is All Things Her Crown. Isn't that pretty? I like that. So let's put this on. First thing I'm gonna do is open it up. It's pretty long. Put it on the back. Maybe I need to turn this fan off so it don't blow. make it shorter on this end and longer here, so it'll give you more room to wrap around. Like that. And you're going to crisscross it, leaving a hole in the middle. Tuck it under and pull it through. Okay. Then take it, twist it. And then tuck this little piece inside the long end, and then continue to wrap it around all the way down. And you take it, wrap it around the top bun. I have a bun up here, so just wrap it around that and keep twisting it. Come back around, keep tucking till you run out of scarf, and then tuck it under. There you go. That's it. And you can add your little accessories, which is some hoop earrings. There it is. Take my sponge and sweating a little bit. That's it. Ready to go. Eyelashes on. And my head wrap. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And for those of you who have not subscribed, like I said, please hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notifications every time I upload a video. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Everybody have a nice weekend. Cheers.